Chapter 6, Explorer. After the successful Sputnik missions, the U.S. scrambled to catch up with the USSR. Unfortunately, the unmanned Vanguard Test Vehicle 3, TB3, which was supposed to carry the first American satellite into space, exploded on December 6, 1957, just seconds after leaving its launch pad. The Americans finally succeeded with an unmanned satellite called Explorer-1, which was carried by the Jupiter-C rocket. Explorer-1 launched successfully on January 31, 1958, and achieved orbit around Earth. It made about 12 and a half orbits per day, collecting scientific information and sending the data back to Earth, including data about radiation belts that surround the planet. Explorer-1 made its last transmission on May 23, 1958, but continued to orbit for 12 more years. It achieved over 58,000 orbits total before burning up on March 30, 1970, upon re-entering Earth's atmosphere. After the launch of Explorer-1, there was an attempt to launch a similar satellite, Explorer-2, on March 5th. 1958, but the fourth stage of its rocket did not ignite. The next Explorers were more successful. Explorer-3 was launched on March 26, 1958, and Explorer-4 was launched on July 26, 1958. The attempted launch of Explorer-5 on August 24, 1958, failed during the separation of the second stage. Stages and payloads. When a satellite is launched, the satellite itself is only a small part of the spacecraft. The satellite is attached to a rocket that ignites in several stages as it lifts into the air. As one stage of the rocket is discarded, the next stage ignites. This coordinated process ensures that the rocket's payload reaches its destination. The payload is the cargo carried by a rocket, in this case, a satellite. Other examples of payloads include warheads, manned spacecraft, and fireworks. The International Geophysical Year was a worldwide cooperative research program that took place between July of 1957 and December of 1958. 67 countries participated, including the U.S. and USSR. During the International Geophysical Year, 11 areas were studied: auroras and airglow, a faint lighting up of the Earth's atmosphere, cosmic rays and geomagnetism, the Earth's magnetic field, glaciology, the science of glaciers, gravity, ionospheric physics, the ionosphere is part of Earth's upper atmosphere, longitude and latitude, meteorology, the study of weather, oceanography, seismology, the science of earthquakes, and solar activity. American and Soviet artificial satellite programs, including Sputnik and Explorer, contributed important data to the program. NASA. After the USSR successfully launched Sputnik 1, U.S. President Dwight D. Eisenhower was criticized for not making space a priority. In July of 1958, he announced the formation of a governmental agency called NASA, which stands for National Aeronautics and Space Administration. NASA still exists today. Its purpose is to research and develop the means to explore space. According to the NASA website, we reach for new heights and reveal the unknown for the benefit of mankind.